Good morning once again. Abdelaziz, this is the video you asked me to do. So you can see the plan here. I'm done with the plan. Let me view it in 3D orbit and you see. You can see the plan, the entire plan here. As for here, I'm to put slab there. As we are to put concrete there, so that place I have to put slab there, and this is the slab dimension. As you can see the slab here. Oh, you are getting me. So right now we'll move it from 3D view to top view. So as you can see the plan here. So why you want to get the elevations, what you do is move to home, this vertical section. So let's come. I believe you can see the line. You just click and drag it down, then you press enter on your keyboard. As you can see, I'll be able to view the elevations here. If I want to view the elevations here, I'll be able to view. So I'll just click here, enter. Then you come to an empty space, then double click. As you can see the elevation here. So right here I'm going to put concrete. That's why here is like this. So all what you do is just explode it. You explode, go to home, explode. You select it again, explode. Now it's exploded. Now you just select these lines, then deselect. Object viewer, you select these lines, so what you do is select the lines, you select the lines, you come to color, you want to make it white, and that's it. This is a side view. So let's say we want the horizontal section. You come here, this horizontal section, then you click. I believe you can see the horizontal section. Enter. We drag it out of it. This is the horizontal section for only the building. I want the elevations. Patient street down this way. You click, let's drag it here, then enter. Deselect. you deselect it. And you move it. I believe you can see the other side view, the same as this one. All you need to now do is this kind of work you don't need to do hatching because it's already hatched. So let's do the vertical section for this side. You enter, then we'll bring it here, then you bring it somewhere here. I believe you are getting me now. Home, then you move it. And you come, you explode it. Before you can do any changes in it, you have to explode it. So sometimes you explode it more than 3 times if, but this I just exploded 2 times. You come here, white. Yeah. You do unnecessary changes you want to put in the roof. That's it. This is the other side view. So that's it. I hope you understand it.